Fortnite balls, I'm gay, I like boys. I kidnap autistic kids, little Mosey is white.
Hello and welcome to this episode of the Connect 4 Tournament. I'm your host, British. And today we are joined by, I don't fucking know. Let's reveal the fake. Alright, first up we got fucking, oh my god, who could it be? Oh my god, I'm like coming in anticipation. Oh my god, who the fuck? Isaac motherfucking Tinks. Yo, look at this, like, actual gaming, yeah, look at him go. He's actually, like, fully better than Mr. Wheat. I wonder who our next contestant could be. Oh my god. Holy shit, holy fuck, I said holy shit, holy fuck. Mr. fucking Wheat. Anyway.
Hello everyone,
right,
I'm Mr.
okay.
Wheat.
Shut the fuck up, Mr. Wheat. This is a okay, can we restart it again? Okay, do your thing.
Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Wheat. And today,
Allow us to introduce ourselves.
we're neighbors.
Shut up. Okay, anyway, moving on.
All right,
Connect 4, first to 7, dab on him.
Yeah.
Connect 4, like, in it, so,
Yo.
I'm here in it.
I'm about to win, I'm superior.
I disagree, personally, but, you know.
My superior skill is better
Mr.
than
Wheat,
you.
I'm better than you. Mr. Wheat, I am better than you, I'm just saying.
No, you're not.
Dab on
You're not. You're not better than me.
Personally, I am.
You are not better than me.
Anyway,
No, you're not better than me.
Okay. I'm just gonna like not acknowledge that match even happened, like, at all. So, anyway.
You're not better than me. You're not better than
that,
me.
like, never happened.
I'm going to win this. I'm gonna win this match.
I don't think so, personally. But, you know, dab on it.
I'm going to win this match. You know, like, I'm gonna win this match, and I'm gonna be the top puppy. You know, if I just do that,
but the top puppy, bro, if you're a puppy, then I'm a big dog, big bear, nibba, I'm a lion. Like, I'm talking sex, you know, real.
You just fell into my trap. Take that.
Mr. Wheat. Classic Mr. Wheat. Classic Mr. Wheat. Hey, that. Now that's
Yo,
what I'm
let's
talking
go.
about.
I'm 2-0. You're gonna losing right now. I got 2 points. You got 0.
That's just simply not true. I'm Marina fucking Land Katai, or whatever the fuck that means, you know? Marina Land
If you understand this,
powerful being in the history.
if you understand this, I am your savior.
Mr. Wheat, contemplate life at this very moment. Just, like, think about how you got here. Mr. Wheat, just think how you got to this moment of pure fucking.
I'm pure wheat.
I'm not even gonna.
I am pure wheat.
Whole grain. I'm talking.
Holy crap! I got 3 points now.
Shut up. Okay. Wait. Oh wait, Mr. Wheat.
Okay, it's my turn.
Hey, Miss Wait, look to the side. What do you think of that? Mr. Wait, please. I beg, please. Mr. Wait, Mr. Wait,
Yo.
Mr. Wait, Mr. Okay, not Mr. Wait. I feel bad. I'm not even gonna do the trap thing. I'm just gonna. I know I could take my dub for this, but I actually feel so bad for you.
I don't feel bad for me, because I'm gonna win. You're
Stop
a winner.
it, Mr. Wait.
You're a
I'm not a quip. It's just not true.
You are a quip.
But, you know, look, Mr. Wait, stop, I beg. This is this was supposed to be Mr. Wheat. You do realize you were actually trying in the other recording that got scrapped because you forgot to record my fucking audio.
Classic Mr. Wheat.
Yeah, we get a recording that actually works, and you just throw it out the window. Mr. Wheat, I fucking love you. Classic.
Same.
Mr. Wheat, I'm trying so hard to not win here. You do realize this. Thank you. I handed you the dub.
I don't think you did. I think I handed me the dub.
I needed you to get... I placed it there so you would get that, you know? I felt bad. It was out of pity.
Yo, after this recording, you want to do a VeggieTales reaction?
Oh, sure. I guess look forward to that on fucking Mr. Wheat's channel. We're doing it there.
Yeah, so if you look up Mr. Wheat on YouTube, you'll find the VeggieTales funny reaction.
Yeah, and depending on the time you're watching this, there might also be a Skylander Swap Force fucking review, you know? Possibly.
That won't happen. That won't happen in a million years.
Mr. Wheat, there's gonna be a Skylander Swap Force review. Like,
eventually, maybe someday.
Mr. Wheat, I personally can't wait for Skylander Superchargers featuring your boy, you know.
Maybe someday.
Well, I mean, yeah. Well, I mean, actually, I'm just talking about Skylanders fucking Superchargers Racing. I'm not even talking about Skylander Superchargers, like, not even the game at all. Just Superchargers Racing, specifically that, nothing else. So that one.
Yo, this looks cool.
It do. Bruh, manatee, you are the one for me, one for me, sent from up above, up
above.
You are the one I love, Thank you, Mr. Wheat.
Oh! I missed that.
I appreciate it, Mr. Wheat. I appreciate your support. I fucking love you. Something.
I actually missed that.
Nice.
I'm not even kidding. That isn't even a joke. I missed that. How did I miss that?
Well, maybe you're just fucking stupid. Got him.
To be fair.
Yeah. Can't come back from that. Can't come back from that.
You also are. Maybe.
No.
I think you are.
Fully hit him with that, you know. I mean, it's just not true.
Slacking got me quaking. Got any rebuttals?
Yeah,
exactly.
My rebuttals are this fucking dub.
Slacking got me quaking.
Mr. Wheat, you stole my dub. Mr. Wheat, that was my dub right there in that spot, and you just kind of like stole it from me, you know?
Well, I mean, if I didn't, then I wouldn't have the dub.
Yeah, Mr. Wheat, it's my dub.
What if it isn't though?
Like, I'm talking.
But let's say hypothetically it wasn't your dub.
Bite inflation. Yeah, fucking bite inflation. It's fucking real.
Bite inflation.
Yeah, fucking gaming.
Oh, you just gave me the dub.
I disagree. Wait, I actually just didn't give you the dub, like at all.
You did. You gave me the dub, you idiot. You stupid idiot.
It's not.
You stupid fat bald idiot.
You fat bald bastard, you fucking Mr. Wheat.
I'm not Mr. Wheat. That's the problem.
Shut the fuck up, Dom.
Don't call me that.
That's right. Yeah, that's right. I'm calling you fucking Dom Dom. You can't escape it.
Bro, that square is almost complete.
Beautiful. Beautiful. It was worth it. Mr. Wheat, I don't care. It was a beautiful work of art. It was fucking worth it. Like it had that like gay ass like round ass square, just like around this one singular fucking dot of yours, and it was beautiful. I loved it.
You did not love it.
No, I loved it. It's going in my channel banner when I'm putting it in my channel banner. I don't care.
It's just a square, a Connect 4 square.
Yeah. It's gonna be fucking beautiful.
It's like a scarecrow.
It's just not.
Might be.
We got this dub in the bag. We got this dub in the bag, personally. Play a hard bargain, my friend. Sex.
Yo, I just took your
Alright.
dub twice.
I'm gonna reclaim my fucking dub. I don't care. Mr. Wheat, you know I'm securing this dub.
I doubt that. I doubt that.
Mr. Wheat, this is my fucking dub. I own it. I am the rightful owner. I am its son. Wait, no.
Okay.
I mean, I'm its father. Oh, wait, no.
Go
I mean,
for it.
I'm its father.
Where did you-
I'm the father of the fucking dub.
Just go
Like, I'm
for
the
it.
father of the dub.
I just
Wait, I
keep
don't-
on
I don't
taking
like
your
you.
dubs. I don't like you. Yo, what if I just like gave you that dub? Liar.
Mr. Wheat, I want my dub.
You don't get it.
No. Mr.
no
Wheat,
dubs.
Mr. Wheat, you're scaring me.
Yeah,
You're scaring me. I'm terrified.
No dubs today.
Mr. Wheat. I disagree. Mr. Wheat, what the fuck do I do? I can't do
Nothing.
anything. You're just blocking all my dubs. No matter what I do, my dubs, they're gone. They're locked up behind bars. 6 feet under.
Nothing.
They're gone. Mr. Wheat, I deserve this dub, and you know it.
No, no, you don't.
I deserve this dub. And I will claim it one way or another, faggot.
No, I don't think you do.
Anyway.
Bro, what if I just gave you that dub? That would be pretty funny, huh?
I mean, it would be quite gaming, you know, but...
Oh.
What?! I didn't even know I had a dub there. I just placed it there. Whoa, Mr. Wheat, you're actually BG. Mr. Wheat, you're my best friend. Mr. Wheat, I fucking hate you. Like, actually die. Like, actually kill yourself, blue. just complete 180. Anyway.
Why do you hate me?
I fucking love you, or something.
If we were friends, you wouldn't hate me.
Look, Mr. Wheat. Friendship is for
Pussies?
sex.
Well, I guess I lose.
Free sex at sex.com.
Well, I mean, technically, no.
I mean, Mr. Wheat, hypothetically, I got this fucking dub.
That's it. If you do this one more time...
I win. If I do it one more time, I just win. I just fucking win, like, fully.
This is not how that works.
It just kind of is. It's just 7, because, like, if I get one more, I'd actually just, like, secure the dub, like, completely. But, you know, that one.
Wait, who?
Me. Alright, playing. Oh, everybody's got a water buffalo. Yours is fast, but mine is slow. Where'd we get them? I don't know, but everybody's got
just put
a
that,
water
like,
buffalo.
if you put your balls on a toaster oven, like, does it toast your balls?
Oh, I took my buffalo to
burn
the
the
store.
dandruff?
Got his head stuck in the door. Spilled some lima beans on the floor. Oh, everybody's got a water buffalo.
I don't like you.
Mr. Wheat, it's your line next, Faggot. Say the thing. Say the funny.
Hi everybody, I'm Mr. Wheat, and today we're gonna be reviewing the Swap Force video. That's a joke I made.
Yeah. Well, I mean, Mr. Wheat, it's gonna happen someday, and you know it. Mr. Wheat, you're gonna make a Swap Force video.
It just won't.
One way or another, you're making a Swap Force video. I don't care.
It just won't.
I happen to agree.
I happen to disagree.
No, I mean, you disagree with me agreeing to. Anyway.
Oh no. Bro, I don't like worms.
Like, you feel me? Fair enough. Mr. Wait, I got a gaming script wrote out for my warm milk video. Okay, here's what I got so far. Yo.
That's not funny.
I got yo in a period wrote out, like all lowercase yo in a period.
Yo,
that's what I got so far.
Period. Your mom. Oh wait. Oh no, you're about to win. Thanks for watching, everyone. Go unsubscribe from Mr. Wheat, and I think I got a game. I think. Yo, and subscribe to Mr. Wheat, cause he's the best YouTuber in the YouTube site.
No.
I'm cutting that out.
I'm not gonna cut that out.
All right. Well, Mr. Wheat, I think I should outro this the only way I truly know how, fam.
Everybody's got a water buffalo. Yours is fast, but mine is slow. Hold on. I'm gonna share my screen.